Can't resist someone. Understanding this common English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard quite often. Can't resist someone. Stick around to understand what it means, how to use it in your conversations, and some examples to clear up any confusion. Let's get started. To can't resist someone means being unable to stop yourself from being attracted to or drawn towards someone. This attraction can be emotional, like admiring someone's personality, or physical, appreciating someone's appearance. It's a strong feeling that makes you want to be near or involved with the person despite any reasons you might have for staying away. This phrase is commonly used in everyday conversations, especially when talking about relationships or attractions. It can be used in a playful, light-hearted way or more seriously to express genuine feelings of affection. For example, you might say, "I can't resist her smile. It's just so inviting." Or, "Even though I know it's not good for me, I can't resist him." Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in different contexts. 1. Romantic context. Every time I decide to focus on my work, I can't resist texting her. Her sense of humor is just irresistible. 2. Friendship. I know I should save money, but I can't resist going out with my friends when they ask me. Their company is too good to pass up. 3. Temptations. He can't resist buying new gadgets. The latest technology always fascinates him. These examples show that resisting someone isn't always about a romantic or physical attraction. It can also relate to the strong pull of someone's personality or the joy their presence brings. Be mindful of the context. This phrase can be intimate or casual, depending on how it's used. Make sure it fits the conversation. Use it to express genuine feelings. It's a powerful phrase that conveys strong emotions. Use it when you truly feel drawn to someone or something. Combine it with reasons to add depth to your conversation. Explain why you can't resist the person. It makes your statement more meaningful and personal. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, can't resist someone. We hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is all about practice, so don't resist using this new phrase when you have the chance. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.